Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to change the sleep time on this device. So if you want to change the sleep timer, first you need to enable your printer, then open the control panel. Then open settings. Here you will see all settings of your device. But now scroll down and find here power management, and here find sleep mode. And now just change your sleep mode. You can change it to 1 minute, after 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and after 1 hour. So I will change it to after 15 minutes. I want to use after 15 minutes, and shutdown mode after 6 hours, for example. And of course you can enable disabling shutdown mode, for example when ports are active. Ports such USB or Ethernet port. So you can disable it in future or enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.